If he's got a gun in your face and you're pretty sure he's going to use it, it's go time.
Get in the car.
What do you want?
Get in the car.
1, decide if you're going to go. And if you are, do it 100%. Hands up for distraction. Ask a question. What do you want? When he starts to answer, it's go time.
I said
grab the muzzle of the gun, take the other hand, and hit. Hit as high up on the forearm as you can. From this position, when you decide to go for it, move your head out of the line of fire. With the hit to the forearm, if it doesn't release the gun, join it to the other hand, pull straight back, and now you're ready. Remember, guns aren't toys, so don't practice with a real one. Better yet, get a water gun. Have a friend hold it and see if you can beat the water.